In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do motion graphics in Canva. Whether you're a budding designer or just looking to enhance your presentations, creating motion graphics can add that extra touch of flair to your projects. Let's dive into how you can easily achieve this using Canva. First, start by opening Canva on your computer or device. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a range of templates you can choose from, or you can create a new design from scratch. It's important to select the correct format here, depending on what you're designing for. Be it a social media post, a slideshow, or a video, selecting the right canvas size from the outset will save you a lot of trouble down the line. Next, head over to the Elements section on the left toolbar. This is where the magic begins. Elements are your main building blocks, ranging from simple shapes and lines to complex illustrations and icons. This is a good opportunity for a quick planning session. Consider which elements you want to bring to life with motion. Add these elements to your design by clicking and dragging them into your workspace. You can also add text, which plays a crucial role in conveying your message. Now that you have your design elements in place, let's bring them to life. Click on any element you want to animate, and you'll notice an Animate button that appears on top. Clicking this opens up a world of animation options, from subtle to dynamic effects. Take your time to experiment with these options. Depending on the effect, you might be able to adjust the speed and direction, which allows for further customization and precision. Don't forget about your text. Adding animation to text can make your message more engaging. Just select your text box, click on Animate, and explore the animations available specifically for text. This could be anything from a simple fade to a more pronounced typewriter effect. For more complex or multi-slide projects, Canva offers transitions, which create a seamless flow from one slide to the next. Click on the Transition button located between slides and select an effect that suits the mood of your project. Finally, once you're satisfied with your work, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click on Share at the top right corner of the screen, then select Download. Choose the MP4 format to ensure your animations are preserved in the final output. Just let Canva do the exporting, and you'll have your motion graphic masterpiece ready in no time. So there you have it, a simple guide to creating stunning motion graphics in Canva. With a little creativity and these essential steps, you can transform any static design into a vibrant, animated visual experience. Happy designing!